Hey there, tired of awkwardly reminding clients about overdue invoices? Sending automatic payment reminders in FreshBooks handles the follow-up for you, professionally and persistently. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set them up. In your FreshBooks settings, go to Automation or Payment Reminders. You can create a series of reminder emails to be sent at specific intervals. For example, a friendly reminder 3 days before the due date, a more direct one on the due date, and a final notice 7 days late. You can customize the wording of each email to match your tone. My crucial pro tip: keep the first reminder friendly and helpful. The pre-due date reminder should assume the client simply forgot. Phrase it as a helpful courtesy. This maintains a positive relationship while ensuring your invoice stays top of mind. That's how you improve cash flow without damaging client relationships. How many days after the due date do you typically send a follow-up? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on improving cash flow, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.